In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Loom paid subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to make sure your billing stops when you want it to. First, head to Loom's login page and sign into your account. Use your usual method, whether that's email and password or your company's single sign-on. Make sure you're logging into the correct account if you manage more than one workspace. Once you're in, open your workspace settings. Look to the left sidebar and click your workspace name to expand its menu. From there, choose Settings. If you belong to multiple workspaces, select the one that actually holds the paid plan so you don't adjust the wrong subscription. Next, go to the Plan and Billing section. This tab shows your current plan, renewal date, number of seats, and pricing. It's a good place to confirm you're working with the right subscription and to note when the next charge would occur. Now click Manage Subscription. This will open your billing portal where you'll see two key choices. The first is Cancel Subscription. This stops your paid plan from renewing. Typically, you keep access to paid features until the end of your current billing period and then the plan ends. The second option is Downgrade to Starter, which moves you to Loom's free plan. Downgrading is helpful if you want to keep your account and videos but no longer need paid features. Either way, your existing content remains in your library. You just won't have access to premium limits and tools after the change takes effect. After choosing the option that fits, confirm the change. You may be asked for a reason for canceling or downgrading. That's optional and won't affect the process. Click Confirm or Complete Cancellation to finalize it. You should see an on-screen confirmation, and you'll usually receive an email receipt of the change as well. It's a good idea to take a quick screenshot or save the confirmation for your records, and if you need past invoices, grab them from the billing portal before you leave. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see Manage Subscription, you may not have the right permissions. Contact your workspace owner or admin to make the change. Also remember that canceling or downgrading affects the entire workspace plan, not just a single seat, unless you're on an individual plan. That's it. You've canceled